Hello friends, and I welcome you all at Circuits Bazaar, and in this video we are going to learn about tinkercad and its registration. So what is tinkercad? Tinkercad is a free web browser based tool, or you can say program, where you can build 3D designs, the electronic circuits, and you can do coding using code blocks. So here in this tutorial series we are going to focus on electronic circuits and coding through code blocks only. The 3D design we will discuss later. So tinkercad became available in 2011, and since then it's a very popular platform for creating models like 3D printing and electronic circuits and coding through code blocks. So first of all, let's go to the Google so that we can proceed for the registration. So here we have opened the Google browser. Now type tinkercad, click. Now the very first link, this is tinkercad, create 3D digital designs with online CAD, right? So click on this link. You will be directed on the login or sign up page. So if you already have an account, you can just click on the login, otherwise you can just click on the sign up. So by the way, I have already an account, but just to demonstrate, I'm going to click on sign up. So if you are an educator, if you are a teacher, you can sign in, or you can say sign up through this one. If you are a student, you can join class as well here on tinkercad. So because I'm an educator, so I'll click on educator. Now continue to start making educator account. Click here, I certify that, I agree. Now I'm going to sign up through Google account. So here it will ask you to provide your email ID. So this is my email ID. It will take some time and then we'll redirect you to the main page. So this is the welcome page. So here you can see this section. You can 3D design, you can create circuits, you can code blocks as well, like you can do coding through code blocks as well, right? So here in this tutorial series we are going to focus on the circuits and code blocks. So if you'll click on circuits, then it will ask you to create new circuits. So just click on create new circuit. So from here your experimentation will start regarding the circuits and programming. So in the next tutorial we are going to learn how you can interface LED to the Arduino using tinkercad, or how you can program that using code block. Thank you. See you in the next video.